All right, special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send me a set of their LED decor lights, which do not overheat and they're safe to touch with environmentally friendly materials. Now, these on the side state that they are purple and orange, so they could be used for Christmas or, of course, for Halloween. So we will get these outside and we're gonna wrap them around our porch in some kind of way. Let's go see what they look like. All right, so we have ran this cable inside. This part of it is actually pretty long. It's reaching all the way in here and down to a power outlet over here. And what we did was we looped the lights around this and went all the way down here and then all the way down there and across and up and then back up and then all the way down here. Now then we had some extra length, so we ended up just putting it on these chairs, but that was just to try to show you guys. So let's see what this looks like. All right, so here's my house at night. Oh wow, and there it is, lit up with the lights. And so there's 8 modes here. This is the first mode, and then that is the second mode, all purple and orange. Okay. Oh, and then this one flashes all orange, all purple. It looks a little blue, but I promise you it's purple in person. It's just the camera. This one's like pulsing in and out. I like that. Very, very nice. Ooh, that one's like a strobe. That's awesome. That's the next mode. Very cool. That's my favorite. And then that just looks like them alternating colors being solid on, which that one's also pretty good. Oh, fades out and back on. Very nice. Another strobing mode. That really lights up out here. Like, I like it. And then that's them running again. Very, very cool. And then that's the lights off. So that was all of the modes. Very, very nice.